how to change the text message notification sound on the iPhone 6 Plus. First, press on the home key to go back to the home screen. Then go into settings. In settings, tap on notifications. Then tap on messages. And then tap on notification sound. And from here, from the alert tone section, tap on the sound that you want to use. So when you receive a new message, you will hear this sound. There are also ringtones that you could choose. So choose an option from the list. Then you can tap on the back button up here to go back, or you can press on the home key to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.